Maintenance day number 1. Literally feel brand new. Go get a massage, y'all. Go get a massage. I'm gonna go grab some lunch really quick, maybe some sushi. Let's go. Happy Wednesday. Doing microneedling for the first time today. My main concerns are just like my elasticity. Approaching my 30s, just fine. Aging is beautiful. I love aging. But that doesn't mean I want to not look my best. So one of my friends recommended microneedling to me, so we're going to try that today. I'm a little nervous. Let's go. This was my first time getting microneedling. It's supposed to be really good for hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, elasticity. I was a little red afterwards. You can see how it looks after the appointment. It didn't really hurt. They did numb me, and I was sitting there for like 30 minutes with the numbing cream on, but didn't feel anything. And this is how I looked at night, so the redness went down a lot. I can't wait to see how it looks in the next few weeks. Thursday, going to get a blowout, get a coffee, and then head over to the studio for a bit to work. My neck hurts and I don't know why, but it's fine. It's fine. Since the last time I filmed, I was on my period, which we all know is not fun. I was just kind of recovering from my microneedling. I can totally see a difference. I have to wait a few more days to see full results, but so far, obsessed. We're going to start the day off with some solid core, and then we have a facial later today. Since getting my microneedling treatment, I already see a huge difference in my under eye area as well as my laugh line area. My skin overall feels really good and really tight and really clear. So definitely back in maybe a month. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. We're going to stop by for some coffee really quick before we make our journey to the center of the earth. So I will not be driving. I am passenger princess always.
As always.
But I will be providing beautiful company. That's what anyone could ever wish for. Let's go. Our first stop of the day was at a new coffee bar in town. John and I are kind of opposites when it comes to our perception of the world. So as you can see, I'm kind of in my own world. And John is just like looking around and scoping the room for who might be perceiving him. And it's just kind of cute and funny to see him trying to overcome those thoughts. next thing on my itinerary was to stop by this film studio. I really actually wanted to stop by here because I wanted to take some photo booth pictures, and we almost didn't stop by because John was like, oh no, we're gonna be late, you know, the area's kind of broken, and you know, but we stopped by and we had a lot of fun taking these pictures. We should put Saucy Vault stuff, it's like flyers everywhere. Today will wrap up my week. Gonna work on finishing my vlog. It was a really long week, but I love sharing my life and the things I like to do, and I can't wait to see you all again.